If you've ever needed to automate messages, connect Telegram to another tool, or just wanted to track a specific group or channel, one thing you'll come across is the chat ID. But how do you actually find the chat ID for a Telegram group or channel? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get that information quickly, safely, and with zero fuss. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to add a Telegram bot to your group or channel. There are a few bots that specialize in providing chat information. Two popular ones are at Raw Data Bot and at GetItBot. Don't worry, adding a bot sounds more technical than it really is. Think of a bot as a helpful assistant inside your group or channel. To add one, open up Telegram and search for either at Raw Data Bot or at GetItBot. Select the one you prefer, both work well, but let's go with at Raw Data Bot for this demo. Now, to actually add at Raw Data Bot to your group or channel, tap the group's or channel's name, find your administrator's menu, and use the Add Member option. It's a bit like inviting a new friend or colleague to a group chat, only this time your friend happens to be a helpful little bot. If you're adding the bot to a group, you need to be an admin, otherwise Telegram won't let you do it. For channels, only admins can add bots too. If you're just a regular member, you might need to ask an admin to help out. Once you've added at Raw Data Bot or the other bot to your group or channel, here comes the easiest part. Just send any message in the chat. You can type something like "Hello bot" or really anything at all. The reason you need to send a message is because bots typically work reactively. They notice when there's activity and then reply. Imagine ringing a doorbell to let someone know you've arrived. After you send that message, the bot should immediately respond, and its reply will include a bunch of information. It might look a little technical, but don't let that overwhelm you. One of the pieces of info will be labeled as Chat ID or something very similar. This is the special identification number for your group or channel, a bit like a unique address or serial number online. You'll often see it as a long string of digits, sometimes starting with a minus sign for groups. That's totally normal. Sometimes the bot takes a few moments to respond, especially if there's a lot of activity happening in Telegram at the same time. So if you don't get an answer right away, give it a minute or two and maybe try sending another short message. Don't worry if it looks complicated. Really, your only goal is to find the chat ID number in the bot's reply. Once you've got it, you can use it wherever you need in your automation workflows, reporting tools, or integrations. And that's literally it. From searching for the bot to adding it and sending a message, the whole process takes just a couple of minutes. If you ever want to remove the bot later, you can do so from your group or channel admin settings, easy as pie. If this video helped you learn how to find your Telegram chat ID, go ahead and hit that like button. If you run into any trouble or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want more simple tech tutorials delivered right to you, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.